Hello, I am Yury Gomez, and I am the Global Chief Officer for Process Manufacturing at Microsoft. Supply chain end-to-end visibility is huge. Improving planning and optimizing inventory is another second part. And then improving that last mile delivery while delivering a supply chain with security is some of the top challenges that I am seeing across customers. We have a magnificent set of digital solutions, including our most recently announced supply chain center and our own dynamic 365 solutions to improve supply chain management. We also have a wonderful partner ecosystem that addresses all these digital challenges that customers are facing today. Together with our partners, we look at the critical problems that customers are facing in various areas of their supply chain. And then we pinpoint really what are the critical needs that they have and bring that right partner for that right problem to our customers. It is simply fascinating and even something that I can't even see today. But all I can tell you is there's going to be faster acceleration of solutions in the market, and especially given our OpenAI partnership that is really advancing very quickly how we bring innovation to customers and to the marketplace much faster and much better.